Hello, good night. My name is Betsabe Cárdenas, student Administración de Empresas. Second moment. A very beautiful place that I have recently visited is called Hawaii Beach. It is located near Ibagué. It is a very cozy place. It has swimming pools that are surrounded by sand lake on the beach. They also have lakes. There you can go boating. It has a very nice and they also have tents for camping. Many green areas where children can play and they have good restaurants and their food is very delicious. The water in the pool is always clean and has good space for the public. I think it is a very fun place and that I recommend the rest and head out on the routing. It is very big and there sites with good tourism main trees. Thank you.